Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of 2 types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate, divide the vehicle into the 2 equal portions. Dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the 2 portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate, dissolve the vehicle into the 2 equal portions. Dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion. Weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances. Mix the 2 portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. Experiment number 92. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1. Sulfuric acid, which is used to dissolve the quinine sulfate, would decompose the sodium salicylate and prevent the formation of a clear mixture. Proposition 2. Such incompatibility can be tolerated by using tragacanth powder 2%. As we studied in chemical incompatibility, that the method B is used for the indiffusible solid or indiffusible substances in which the 2% tragacanth powder is used. Learning objective: to understand the precipitation of salicylic acid as indiffusible solid. Let's see, as we discuss this compound tragacanth powder 2% is used for indiffusible solid. So we have to learn that how that precipitation of salicylic acid occurs as an indiffusible solid and how we can overcome it. Then ability to prepare the formulation successfully in case of tolerated incompatibility. The next apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, measuring cylinder, mortar pestle, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 180, that is equal to 0.055. Prescription is given over here, Rx, which is denoted by symbol Rx. We have the prescription given in the Latin terminologies. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in imperial system, as we have the formula given in the Latin terminology. So here we write the quantity given in imperial system, quantity given in the metric system for preparing 180 ml, and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. So we have sodium salicylate used as analgesic antipyretic, quantity given in imperial system for preparing 180 ml, that is drachm 2. This is a Roman 2. So as we know, 1 drachm is equal to 4, so 4 into 2, 8. So quantity given in metric system is 8 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.44 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Quinine sulfate used as antimalarial. Quantity given in imperial is grain XII, that is 12. Roman 10, 12. So 1 grain is a 60 milligram. 60 into 12, that is quantity given in metric system should be the 60 into 12, that is 720 milligram is equal to 0.72 gram. Taken quantity should be 0.04 gram. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Dilute sulfuric acid, it is used to solubilize
to dissolve the strong fluorescing compound quinine sulfate. Quantity given in imperial system is 1 minim, triple X stands for 30, Roman 30, 1x is 10, so 3x, that is 30. 1 minim is equal to 0.06, so 0.06 ml into 30, that is 1.8 ml, and the quantity taken in metric system should be the 0.099 ml. This quantity should be calculated with the help of factor. Water used as a vehicle. Quantity given in imperial system is add ounce VI, ounce 6. So 1 ounce is 30. So 30 into 6, that is add 180 ml, and quantity taken should be 9.9 ml. Direction: 15 ml to be taken at bedtime as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure: divide water into 2 equal parts, then add the quinine sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid in one part, then triturate the compound tragacanth powder, sodium salicylate in the other part of the water, then mix the two solutions together and make up the volume if required, transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach prepared label and submit. Use of preparation: it is used in the treatment of malaria and rheumatism. Result: 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in a cool place. As we seen in this particular mixture, we seen the tolerated type of chemical incompatibility as it contained the indivisible solid. So for overcoming this particular type of tolerated chemical incompatibility, we have to use the method B, that is we have to use the 2% compound tragacanth powder to overcome this particular type of incompatibility. Thank you.